This question comes from one of our viewers. What if all nuclear weapons went off at once? Well, wow, that would be bad. Really bad. Right now, there are about 12,000 nuclear weapons in the world. Some are small, some are massive, but together they could blow up civilizations several times over. Now imagine all of them, every single one, going off in the same moment. The first thing you'd notice? The light. Nuclear explosions are brighter than the sun. If you were anywhere near a city, you'd see a flash so intense it could literally burn shadows into the ground. For a split second, the whole planet would light up. Then the blast waves hit. Skyscrapers? Gone. Highways? Torn apart. Entire cities would just vanish. Billions of people would die in the first few minutes. But weirdly, that's not even the worst part. Because after the fire and shockwaves comes something longer lasting. Smoke. All those burning cities would send huge amounts of smoke into the upper atmosphere. And once it's up there, it stays there, blocking out sunlight. Without sunlight, crops fail. Temperatures drop. The oceans cool down. This is what scientists call nuclear winter. It doesn't just kill plants, it breaks the entire food chain. Within months, most of humanity would be starving. And yet, Earth itself would keep going. The skies would eventually clear. Plants would regrow, animals would return. Our planet has survived worse. Asteroid impacts, supervolcanoes, ice ages. Life would go on. But us? Probably not in the way we know it. Civilization, as it is today, would be over. So what if all nuclear weapons went off at once? Civilization collapses. Billions die. Survivors face years of cold, dark, and hunger. And then, eventually, the Earth recovers with or without us. Here's the strange part. Nuclear weapons were never really meant to be used. They exist to scare us, to stop wars by making the cost too high. The only reason we're still here is because everyone's too afraid to press the button. And maybe in this case, fear isn't such a bad thing.